Hi. So this week I have an exercise that I want to share with you that has taught me so much in my own art journey, especially early on when I was just starting to paint. It taught me that beautiful isn't perfect. All right. So perfectionism isn't really what you're supposed to aim for when you paint because that isn't what makes your paintings beautiful. And it's taught me how to relax, how to let go of fear, how to even take what I've learned through this exercise over to my work on canvas. So I'm really, really excited to share this with you, and I hope you enjoy. So, in this exercise, it's all about letting go. It's about not thinking about the end result or about anything else than enjoying yourself. It's all about playing and just being in the moment with the tools and materials that you love. These are two pieces that I've created in the past, just doing whatever it was that I wanted to do. So I always start this exercise by taping the edges of about 5 pieces of watercolor paper with masking tape. And I do this so I could get the sharp and clean edges I want when I remove the tape when the painting's done. I love using Fabriano hot pressed watercolor paper because I enjoy the smooth surface of the hot pressed paper. But if you feel the same way about cold pressed water paper, you're more than welcome to use that. You can actually use any kinds of paper that you like, even cardboard if that is your preference. I've also pulled out a few mark making tools that I enjoy, and I laid down 4 random colors that I felt like using too. I also have some black and white there on my palette. Just remember that the whole point of this exercise is exploring and just playing and being in the moment. So you can start any way you like. I just randomly chose to start with my pencil because, this is all about you doing what you like and giving yourself permission to do so. And doing it without like judging yourself or anything. So if you start finding this hard to do, you could just try and like switch between two different tools. Just pick two and make some marks on the page, switch, and then make some marks on the page again. I don't have that problem, so I just use my pencil and I switch when I feel like it, and I just listen to my body. You can do it that way too if that, if that feels good to you. So you don't like have to think about doing anything right in this exercise. It's not about doing things right. It's just about doing whatever feels good. I think the worst thing you can do with this exercise is to start focusing on the end result. You won't be able to catch the emotion or, the feeling that you want to catch, and the whole exercise would just be worthless. So just keep going, and if you feel the need to like swirl the pages around or anything, you can do that. That's all right. And just try and focus on enjoying yourself and exploring and being curious about what's going on the paper. So here you see me with the hot gun. I'm only using this just to get the tape off. It really, really makes it easier to rip the tape off without like ruining the edges. And I think this has to be my most favorite part of the process. Just, I mean, watching these clean lines just come to surface, it just makes the whole painting pop in my eyes. And you really get to see all the beautiful marks that you've made. So yeah, I really, really enjoy this part of it. All right, so here you see me just doing a quick flip through for you guys. I just wanted to show you what everything looks like at this point, but I'm not quite finished just yet. Okay, so once the tape comes off, I love to just do some editing on these pieces. I just think it makes them like pop, and it's so much easier to see when the tape is off because the paintings are a lot cleaner, and it's just, I don't know, I just love doing this part. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with the rest of the video, and please leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. And if you haven't already done, please like and subscribe. It means so much and it helps me a lot here on YouTube. All right, guys, until next time, enjoy.